Hey everybody, Hard Tecticon is back. Yes, back already. I did not wait 3 to 6 months for the next video. Congratulations to me. So, you probably saw my unboxing video of my Big Bad Toy Store box. This, in my personal opinion, being the most exciting thing. Now, this is not my first Blokees. Hound right here. Oh, donkeys. Well, either way. Hound right here from Transformers 1 was my first one. I wouldn't have chosen the Transformers 1 line, but that's what Walmart had, and I'm like, ooh, goody! And then a little bit later, I decided to get another one. Let me see if I can... And I got Wheeljack, who is my favorite G1 car Transformer. Love Wheeljack. So I've got those two, so I'm not completely virginal to this, but to the Defender series, which is the ones I really wanted, I am. So I am super excited. So we're going to go ahead and show off the box before I start cutting. So here is the top of the box, here is the front of the box, here is the back of the box, here is the side, and here is the bottom. Nothing fun there. And listen, that's really satisfying. I almost want to sample that and put it into one of my samplers for music, but that's another channel, right? So let's see if we can get into this without destroying the box. I think we did. Put my knife up. Plastic. Get all this plastic off. I've seen reviews of these guys, but you know, you can watch a cooking video, but it's not going to fill you up, right? So I'm gonna see if I can undo this, and just for fun, I am going to undo the perforations and kind of set it up like a store display later, off screen maybe. So there's a couple of variations in this pack that I know you can get. One is a card, and this is the card I got. I don't really know what the variations are, but I'm pretty happy with this. This is pretty cool. Not gonna lie, I wish it was more of a trading card size so I can put in my binders with all my other cards, but you know what? They didn't have to include it at all, so I'm pretty happy, okay? So here we have 12 different boxes. I'm just gonna start top left, and we're gonna unbox every single one of these. Now, one thing I do know about Blokees from these guys is they have the most impressive glue. Ugh. Christmas crunch, I ought to use this for NASA. Oh man, that's sticky. Like, let's see what. Let's see if it. Wasn't painful, but yeah. I don't know what I'm gonna do with that. You know what? I'm gonna stick it under my desk. There we go. All right, so our first Blokee. Here's some instructions. I'm just gonna lay these out right here, off camera. And for this, you know, I got some scissors, but I don't think I need the scissors. I'm pretty good with perforations. We have Thundercracker's vehicle mode. No, robot mode. And I do love Thundercracker. He's my favorite of the main three Seekers. So, we got Thundercracker. Check him off the list. More of that super glue. Stick it under the desk. It's probably going to be bad that I did that. I love this shiny, reflective, holographic, whatever you call this, going on. More instructions. I guess I should be tossing these boxes. I don't toss them on the floor. Doesn't matter. I'll clean up. I'm a clean guy for the most part. And for the next one, we have, looks like Sideswipe. Yep, Shattered Glass Sideswipe. Cool. I have a feeling as I undo these, they're gonna start falling. Hopefully I don't start mixing parts up, but I could probably figure it out. There was one Christmas when I was really little when I got like 3 or 4 different Lego sets. And I say little, like 6 or 7. And I opened all the bags and poured them all onto the floor. And then realized what I did and got really overwhelmed. So gonna try and avoid that. More instructions. Sticking on the glue. Throw the box. Okay. Looks like we have vehicle Optimus Prime. Where's the little pog thing? I hate to call them pogs. Because, yes, I am old enough. I was in middle school when pogs came out. I called them caps. Because I just hated pogs. The word that is. Oh no, Thundercracker fell. Alright. Ah! Next. Ugh. Feel like I'm gonna have superpowers after dealing with all this glue. Or die from chemical radiation. Probably get superpowers, more likely. Throw. Put the instructions up. Oh, this one is like super light. Who is super light? I bet it's a vehicle mode. And we have, can't tell, Megatron. Just, I guess we got regular Megatron. I was hoping for a Super Megatron or something like that, but well, I'm not a beggar in this case. I'm paid for it, but yeah. Apparently you do get one special figure per box. Stick it under the desk. Open the box. Pull out the instructions and toss the box. This one feels hefty. Oh, this is a Shining Ironhide or whatever with the Ironhide cap. And let's see what coin we got. We got the Megatron coin. This feels actually really flimsy. So, but I mean, still cool, still cool. All right. Doing this behind a camera is actually a little bit tiring, and we're not, well, we're just now halfway through. Under the desk. Open the box. Oh, that's so sticky. Jeez. Pull out the bag. Pull out the instructions. Toss the box. Okay, this one feels a little light. A little black thing right there. And now we have Vehicle Thundercracker. I can definitely tell that's Vehicle Thundercracker. If I can get the cap out. The pog. Pog. Alright. Halfway through. And I'm glad because I've got a lot of lightage going on. And it's warm. Alright, pull out the instructions. Pull out the bag. Toss a box. This one's feeling a lot heftier. And we have... Oh! This is shiny. Oh! I got the Special Armor Optimus Prime. Right? Yeah. Yeah. Here is the jet wing. So cool. I got something really special. I'm very happy. If I could have just chosen one, I probably would have asked for the fully armored Megatron. Shouldn't have taken that long for me to remember his name. But yeah, very cool. very shiny pieces. Look at that Optimus chest right there. And nice head. Stop it. Stop it. Right. Next we got, stick it in the desk. Whoa. Okay, that is the first piece that actually did not stick under the desk. Instructions out. Pretty sure all these instructions are the same. Here we go. And looks like we got one of the bumblebees. Yeah, we got Bumblebee. Cool. Brilliant Bumblebee. I can't really say he's brilliant. Man, I'm really excited. I got the more rare one. I figured I was going to get that beginner's luck, you know, and just get whatever. But cool. Very, very cool. And I mean, I'm an Optimus Prime, bro. Heck, there are people out there who's got better teachings about life from Optimus Prime than their actual real dad. Not me. I've actually had a pretty good dad. He actually is going to be celebrating his 80th birthday very, very soon. So that's pretty cool. So yeah, I got the Bumblebee vehicle. Next up. Under the desk. Rip the box open. I'm not one to save boxes unless it's something really, really, really special. And I am not saving 12 of the same box. Toss. Medium feel. Boom. Alright, we got a Constructicon, obviously, from the... okay, we got Scavenger. Look at all that green. That is a beautiful green. I think the Constructicons is one of the things that's got me on the Defender series. Not because I'm trying to create big Devastator, but, you know, if I do accomplish getting all 3 sets, ow, and I can get that Chinese parts box, then yeah, I'll do it. I'll do it. And for the record, I'm normally against getting Transformers that do not transform. Like even the recent Swapticons, those transform. I'm okay with those. Okay, least exciting one so far, Prowl. Not a fan of Prowl. Alright, and the last one, this should be the Scrapper vehicle. Ugh. Scavenger vehicle, I'm sorry. Okay. Also the hardest box to get open. Throw the box. Let's open this bag up together. And I see green. It is the Scavenger vehicle. All right. So there we go. We have, and now that I got all 12 open, there's kind of a weird smell happening. Huh. Probably releasing all kinds of special chemicals into my my workspace here. But yeah, got 12 of the caps. I got the little slammer that seems really flimsy. I got Special Optimus and the Megatron coin. I guess that works out. Alright, so I've got some really great ideas for these guys. Here's some Opticrotch. But should I do a build video? Y'all comment below. Tell me what you think. Yeah. I got Special Optimus. I'm excited. Alright guys, so I will be seeing y'all next time. The smell is the glue. It's definitely. It smells like plastic farted. That's what that smells like. It smells terrible. I'm gonna go throw it away. See y'all next time.